To use AdWatcher, you'll need to first connect your Facebook account with AdWatcher. For that, you'll need to go to the Chrome extension page, and here look for AdWatcher, AdWatcher Lite, select that one, and then install. I already have it installed and it will look something like this. From there, you'll go to your Facebook page, doesn't matter what page, or you can go to the Facebook library. So long as you are logged in, that's the most important thing. Then you go to the app, you'll write here the email where you logged into the AdWatcher, and you do update just like this. You say yes, yes, and it will reload the page and you'll see that now it is successful. So now if you go back here and you do a search, then everything will work and you will get an amount. So let's just do that very quickly as a demonstration. So queries, I'm just going to do the same one and do search. And if I do search, you'll see that now I got a value. So, okay, hopefully that was helpful on how to connect your Facebook account with the AdWatcher.